Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter 11, the climate in India. Okay, in this we will study about the climate, weather, main seasons which occur in India. Okay, the scientific study of Earth's atmosphere, especially its pattern of climate and weather, is known as meteorology. Means the scientific study, the scientists that study the weather, they study the atmosphere, Earth's atmosphere. That process is known as meteorology. This study helps in making forecast about the weather and the climate of a place. Okay, now you should know that weather and climate are not one, or they are not the same thing, they are different thing. Weather means the short term observation of the rainfall or the temperature. It means that the weatheric condition or the atmospheric condition which remains for the short term in a particular place is known as weather, whereas the atmospheric condition of a particular place, if it remains for a longer time, then it is known as climate. This is the difference between weather and climate, right? Now let's talk about the three main seasons, right? India, being a vast country of diverse geographic features, does not have the same weather conditions in all the region, right? Every region of India has different weatheric condition or the different atmospheric condition, right? Some places have very heavy rainfall and flood. Some places do not receive any rainfall. You can see the difference. Okay, and yet some others in the Himalayan regions remain cold throughout the year. Now, the Himalayas in the north and the Thar Desert in the northwest affect the Indian climate. Mainly, the climate of India is affected by the Thar Desert, which is in northwest, and the Himalayas, which is in north. Right? The Himalayas act as a barrier to the cold, icy winds coming from the Central Asia. India's climate can be divided into three main seasons: summer, winter, and rainy season. First of all, we'll study about summer season. The Indian summer starts from April and continues till June end. During May, June, temperature rises up to 50 degrees Celsius at some places in the northern plains. Means that the summer season in India, it starts from April and continues till June. We all know that. The days are longer than the nights during summer season. Okay? People prefer to stay indoors in the afternoon to protect themselves from the intense heat of the sun. Right? It means that people always prefer to stay indoor or to stay at their house in afternoon due to the intense heat of the sun, right? Many people go to the North Indian hill stations of Shimla, Nainital and Mussoorie to get away from the summer's heat. The coastal plains surrounded by the sea are less hot than the northern plains in the summer. These areas are kept cool by the moist wind coming from the sea. It means that the areas which are near or close to the sea, they remain cool at this time due to the moist wind, right? Now let's talk about rainy season. Summer ends with the beginning of the rainy season in India. After summer, rainy season arrives. The rainy season begins in June and continues till September. The regions where the monsoon winds have major impacts are Malabar coast, the Western Ghats, the Northeast India, and the two main island groups. We know that island groups are Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Island. The rainfall in these regions is heavy, means it is more rainfall here. As we know that in India there are different regions and rainfall varies in every region, right? Maharashtra get very little rain. The Tamil Nadu coast does not receive any rainfall during the rainy season. Means that in the rainy season they do not experience any rainfall. They experience rainfall or they receive rainfall in between November and January. Most of the western Rajasthan experiences an arid climate. Here, rainfall is very irregular, means rainfall is not regular in Rajasthan. Sometimes it does not receive rain for year, means that it does not receive rainfall throughout the year. I hope this much is clear. Now let's talk about winter season. In India, the winter season falls between mid-November and mid-March, with the January being the coldest month of the season. Means January we experiences more cold. In the winter months, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Most of the India remains dry. Only the coastal Tamil Nadu gets heavy rainfall during this time. I told you this in the rainy season also, that the Tamil Nadu coast, it experiences rainfall in between November and January. Okay, strong winds coming from the west causes light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the mountains. The coastal areas of India enjoy a pleasant weather during the winter. In the desert region, days are pleasant while night experiences a temperature below the freezing point in some areas. It means that in desert region, days are pleasant, means that days are okay, but night is very cool, right? It experiences the temperature below the freezing point. I hope you have understood about summer season, rainy season and winter season. For better understanding of the chapter, you must go through your book carefully, read the chapter once. Okay? Thank you so much.